Alright, we got the Springfield Echelon here. Trying to find out by your opinion who did it better. Floyd Customs, Patriot CNC. Floyd Customs, base plate. Patriot CNC, base plate. I really don't like base plates to have this thing back there. That's annoying. Sometimes most mag welds don't work when you got that little thing. I go with the little hole in there, as opposed to the little piece there. So Floyd Magwell, Floyd CNC. I'm gonna have to go with the CNC. The Floyd Custom is good for carry. Patriot CNC is good for everything else. I like a bigger magwell. So magwell, CNC, base plate, Floyd Customs. What do you think? Some people don't like a bigger magwell. I do like that I can the way this sits on here. I do like the way the magwell fits on here better. It was kind of tough to get them on there. Not tough, but it's kind of weird. You have to look at it, as opposed to the little, like the Glock magwells. So installation goes to Floyd Customs. Overall, I like the bigger magwell. It's gonna be more. That's clearly just for looks there. I mean, I'm gonna have all kinds of trouble feeding that in there. This is going to be more purpose. Maybe not, because it's still kind of flat. Got two flat spots on the side. So up and back, yeah. But other than that, I wonder if this should fit in here. Yep. Well, let me know. My opinion, I like the bigger, and I love Floyd Custom. Y'all watch my channel. Y'all know I love Floyd Custom. It just looks like it's more decorative than purpose. But again, if you want to carry, that'd be a better magwell. If you want the decoration and a little bit of purpose, I do like how the magwell fits in the tire. I mean, the base plate fits in the entire magwell. I do like that. Let me know. In case y'all didn't know, this is the medium grip. This is the large grip. Of course, you buy the medium grip. I had to buy the bigger large grip. I like the large grip better because I got bigger hands. All right. That's it. Let me know.